Hello, Ebusia. 55 government appointees, and that they have failed to abide by their constitutional duties, meaning their president will declare the asset, and most of Americans will be declaring the asset by this date. Omanye Omobu president enimtia. Now 55 we yaba bobu din ye the photo so apia so omo ayehu mudin no nyomu nyina na yenya omudin no but kakana yenya no ye de beba ababechiremo na afei so what is considered an asset that needs to be declared according to the constitution. This constitution was written on May 4th, 1998. Now, a person who holds a public office is to declare their asset before the assumption of this office. It means nya evotu also na se yakase we a the member of parliament in kwadia or you appointed as this in kwadia, you need to declare your asset, and some point was started with Juma. The known President Mahama in February no more or the asset near declaration no attorney general and my auditor general my be if you want to say or almost the chief so up to March 31st will be answered declaring the assets. If you don't, and without any good reason, you will face the consequences that is outlined in the constitution. Ebusia now on my say usually in kono or in the previous terms or private, but then it's say or company here on the mantle of transparency. Any corruption, or per se, or ma bibia dead deep face, and a bear will be a who been of referee media for a young babbage now, will say, Mumran, Meshe, say, Miss me, May envelope, name, Ninkers and Comay, who envelope, no, Catane, send the signature, will more, and the signature, and so, and the one can't go to one of my behind my medani. Anyway, we see, and no, and net, yes, sorry, your president says, say, a nipa 55, our point to Omobunen Mutia, Omentina Semo, NT 1, 4 months a or 3 months secretary. President is 4 months.
Serve with honor. On the 18th February 2025, I set a deadline of 31st March 2025 for all appointees who are taking office or being nominated at the time to declare their assets. An update provided by the Auditor General to my office indicate that some of you failed to meet that deadline. For all those who are appointed or nominated before 31st March 2025 and failed to meet the deadline, you are to forfeit 3 months of salary to be donated to the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, named after me, Mahama Cares.
Felix Ofusu Kwachin said 4 months. Or say Aketiano on Tiomoka or the Boka could donate ama medical trust fund Ghana. Now feels so by Ochina Yamibua Ochina Tuesday Yara 6th of May. While when declare was settled or besako Ebusia and Yasem Kitua with a hifo and now declare was 55 member a year for the government appointees no money wine kakra yenya omudino ye de omufoto so eba bekremo ebusia na asset na e was declare no ebini de him. Let's go into the constitution na afi yenko kenkan we de you see den you see you o chiamye win masem cause na we de wasumwa constitution na media to so no pacho mu na mo hwe na mo Google so egu all you need to type in is Constitution of Ghana. That's it. In part 1 of the Act 550 of the Constitution, no said declaration of assets. In president in now more distrimu enyefe ni nara yatrogu honomo. Or see a person who holds public office, I think say medical kaye must declare the assets. Assets no ebini die. Oh, at what point should they declare this asset? Or see the declaration of assets shall be made by the public officer before taking office, at the end of every 4 years, and at the end of the term of his office. Into meaning before answer start here Juma 4 years now you need to declare it whether we call one corner what's not you need to declare it. Now say consoles you need to declare that. Then no and I was saying at the end of the term of his office and shall in any event be submitted no later than 6 months of the occurrence of any of the events specified in the subsection. Into meanings you say what as you say yes I what's not to be one and say we declare and only you have 6 months to declare that. So more say what conswa you need 6 months and so to declare your asset and your liabilities. Ebusia asset and liabilities no dear him ibini dear him and now all canon ba say ba a section 4 now say properties subject to declaration. Properties need be your land and say houses and 9 akasiye farms, concessions, trust or family properties. Busioja padia kakraka biara udin wo mu bi no a wonso benefit wo mu no yesi declare. Vehicles, plants and machineries, more excavators ni nara mun declare ni hwe bebi ko amode kokoduri se more licenses amode kokoduri sa eyi asase kono so or say fishing boats, trawlers, generating plants, business interests, securities and bond balances or bank balances, bonds and treasury bills, jewelries and art of 5 million Ghana cedis value, life and other insurances. Such other properties are as specified on the declaration form. Until all these ones in our declaration form, so I will be declared. The best section, section 5 on this now, or say assets acquired after declaration, or say we declaration now, where you would declare we no about twaba, not what by you duma. Now if you when your asset no so now and no so no yet, yes, our time meaning no. Next one now be declared no, and also because of being here. Honor na more mobile mo to say, Sakab Nedu Bohin and Erase and Pampasses and ye can I no cry. Mom built a year quiet a built a business is bay 15, 18 no mono. Nina ras you do one my who say and passes can edit your cano and no winya and no who and you might and a while quiet na then a press so say you winning na year a bit me reduce corruption because independent will say yes I may corner see a bad judgment so the end I mean conquer yes I need your judgment. Let's move on now. Or say section 7 is a failure to declare. No, or say an officer required to declare their assets and liabilities under this act, but who without reasonable excuse fails to declare or knowingly makes a false declaration contravenes this part and shall be dealt with in accordance with the section 8 of this act. Section 8 Nisobanso or say complaints and in respect of contravening or say and yes say no so no say one yet when near maniama it was said ye do kokoma commissioner for human rights and administrative justice not or dealing with you yet be follow under the chief justice not or dealing with you according to the constitution's mandates. Ebusianti no na president take say wa wanye no obey your day obey you di na se masanti enye sa 55 free some person mo na say di omo scapegoat ye de wa ha ye nyinara ye hwe.
In addition to 1 month salary that I've asked all appointees to donate to the Mahama Cares Trust Fund. So it means that those who omitted to declare assets by the date, you are paying 4 months salary to Mahama Cares. However, if by close of day Wednesday, 7th May 2025, any of you still fails to declare your assets, count yourself automatically dismissed. The assets declaration regime is an important mechanism to check corruption and abuse of office, and it must be respected by all. My brothers and sisters, this is a very strict code, I must admit. But if we abide by this code, it will restore the faith of our people in our democracy. Strict compliance with this code will restore confidence in the political elite and help to consolidate our democracy. And so I expect all of you to do your best to abide by the code. Let us walk this path together with discipline, with humility, and with an unyielding commitment to the people of Ghana.